Some skills we have inborn, some we have to develop. And if all the skills are used, definitely we get the success. Do you agree with me? Yes or no? Yes. So let us see what are the skills. To become a successful principal, what is necessary? I know you all are successful principals, but there is always chance for improvement. You agree with me? Yes. No one is 100% successful. There is always chance. So let us see that we become 100% successful. What do you need for it? We want hard skills, soft skills, personal empowerment, administrative and legal empowerment, academic empowerment. This already madam has taken each and every point. Those are your duties, responsibilities and knowledge you need for having those skills. Okay. Now I'll tell you about skills. There are hard skills and soft skills. Two types of skills are there. Okay. Now what are hard skills and what are soft skills? I want you to brush your brain and note down. I've mentioned here 16 skills which are repeated because in Dr. Vaishali V's madam also most of the points were there. Like data analysis, leadership, vision, communication skill, administration, these points were there. But what are hard skills and what are soft skills? Bifurcate among them. Write down, note down, hard skills on one side and soft skills on one side. I'll give you just 1 minute. At least 4 you write down. समजले तुम्हाला काय करायचंय? हे दोन्हीचं गरजेचं आहेच. हार्ड स्किल्स, सॉफ्ट स्किल्स आपल्याला पाहिजेच ही सगळी कामं करताना. पण हार्ड स्किल्स कुठली आहे याच्यातले, सॉफ्ट स्किल्स कुठली आहेत ते तुम्हाला 2 विभागात लिहायचे आहेत. येस मॅडम. इंट्रोडक्शन माझं I think I've given, but she wants, I'll tell again. I'm Dr. Bharti Hazari. I'm retired principal from IS VN Surya Guruji English Medium School, and at present I'm working as consultant in Navneet Teachers Training Department. Thank you, madam. Yes, I would have given you 5 minutes time, but we have to manage time, so please stop. Now, can anyone define what are hard skills? Definition of hard skills. Anyone?
Firm decisions to be taken at times.
Somewhat correct, but that is not only the point. Anyone else?
More in black and white.
Yes, somewhat right. Yes, madam, speak out.
More in black and white.
On paper, black and white, rules, printed ones, which we have to follow. Very good. Anyone else?
Some people which do a particular course.
100% correct. What we can learn by doing, those are hard skills. Anyone else? You all are so clever. Yes, sir?
Technical measurables are the hard skills.
Very good. Clap for all these answers. All are correct. And now we'll club them together and define hard skills. Hard skills are teachable, means learnable, technical, and measurable abilities specific to a job. As a teacher, as a principal, we should have subject knowledge, whatever qualification, BA, BSc, MSc, subject-wise knowledge we should have. BEd knowledge, that is professional development, how to teach, how to assess. That knowledge we should have. Lesson planning, observation, classroom management, evaluation, technology, portals, academic knowledge. All these are measurable things. And you can learn by doing, get certificates for it. And these are hard skills, which you can do it by learning. Okay, now what are soft skills? Please define soft skills. Or say in your own words, what are soft skills then? Emotional quotient, yes.
Sensitivity.
Sensitivity, correct.
Behavior.
Problems.
Behavior, problems to understand, yes.
Empathy.
Personal interaction, yes. So this is more of human nature which you cannot measure, you cannot learn, you can feel, correct. Understood? Now I'll define what is soft skills. It refers to non-technical abilities like communication, leadership, teamwork, self-awareness, empathy, and emotional intelligence. All these are not measurable. दुख हुआ है, कितना हुआ है? You can't say I am happy, but you can't measure how much is the happiness. You can feel it, isn't it? Empathy. Someone is crying, and you also feel sad and tears are in your eyes. That is being in that person's position and feeling it. But you can't learn this. These are inborn and that sensitivity is to be developed. जब हम सोचेंगे ये स्कूल के बच्चे मेरे अपने बच्चे हैं, then that qualities come. Doing the best. हम अपने जो बॉर्न बच्चे हैं उनके लिए जो करते, जे काही आपण आपल्या स्वतःच्या मुलांसाठी करतो, फील करतो, त्यांच्यासाठी मनापासून करतो एक आई म्हणून, तेच जर आपण विचार केला की माझी शाळेची मुलं माझी मुलं आहेत, यांचं चांगलं कसं होईल, असं विचार करून जर तुम्ही काम केलात तर 100% सक्सेस मिळणार. नाउ जस्ट चेक युअर आन्सर्स. Just check your answers. Here the differentiation is there. Hard skills on one side and soft skills. Yes, you can take a pic of it. And just check how many of you were correct and where. Now we'll try to go in half an hour. We will see all these skills. Okay. Now as an educator, first of all you are an educator. तू करते हाँ कर. You are an educator, you are a teacher. First you are a teacher. So understanding pedagogy, curriculum development, instructional methods, and implementing evidence-based educational strategies. Now for this, you should first have the knowledge and skills of all the methods of teaching, practices, and curriculum. Now see, NEP has come, National Education Policy. So many changes are there. First rote learning was there, examination was based on only rote learning and 100 marks paper. When I was a student, लिहिण्याचा 100 मार्कांचाच पेपर असायचा. नंतर 80-20 आलं. आता 5th ला वेगळं, 6 to 8 ला वेगळं, 9वी 10वी ला वेगळं. मग आता फॉर्मेटिव्ह समेटिव्ह आले. मग आता रिपोर्ट कार्ड कसं होतं, फायनल एक्झामचे मार्क्स फक्त. आता तसं आहे नाही. दिस चेंजेस यू शुड मेक नोट ऑफ इट अँड ॲज पर द चेंज develop the knowledge and implement it. That is a good educator. Data analysis, which Dr. Vaishali Veer madam has said that इथे आपण कमी पडतोय. शाळा सगळ्या बेस्ट आहेत, पण डेटा फिलिंग somewhere we are lagging behind. And then analyzing also. फक्त डेटा फिल केलं झालं असं नाही. फॉर एक्झाम्पल 10वीचा निकाल 100% खूप शाळांचा आहे, पण ज्यांचं नाहीये तर काय करावं लागेल? वन ऑफ यू स्पीक. हाऊ यू गो फॉर chasing 100% result? Tell me. Data and analysis. Consider this and how you take help of it. Any one of you. First, what you do?
In which subjects?
Identify the
Yes, one of you. Yes, madam. Huh?
In which subject students have failed?
Yes. You start from first unit test. कुठल्या विषयात मुलं नापास झालेली. मग काय करता? Remedial teaching. What else? Peer pairing, parents counseling, meetings, various strategies you implement, and then again you analyze the data first semester, then prelim, and then the board exams results are good. So this is one example. Like this, for all the things you have to do data analysis. First, filling the proper data. For that also you need a team. You alone cannot do it. Class teachers, they give you the data, and then subject wise, and then analyzing, then applying strategies, and then improvement. Okay. Then in the department side, if you see, then Sanch Manyata. UDIS, APAR. Everywhere say number of students remains constant. So it is constantly should be the tally should be there everywhere. Number of teachers and number of students. On roll, how we can do data analysis. On roll, girls, boys, then employees, ladies, male, female. Hundreds of times department needs this data. So once you keep your data ready, let them ask 100 times, you can send it immediately. So we should be good in identifying and collecting data and analyzing also. Then administration. In administration, many things are important. One quote I had read somewhere, a good administrator is one, in his absence also the school runs smoothly. You agree with me? मीच सगळं करते किंवा माझ्याशिवाय शक्यच नाही, मीपणा नको. माय स्कूल वी, आय शुड बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय वी. Whatever open book you are working should be open book. Whatever you are doing, let everyone know. Be physical, personal, keep taking rounds. So you come to, I know a lot of work is there. I have done 22 years I worked as a principal in a youth school. The strength was 4,600 and teachers were 200. Teacher means teaching, non-teaching and peons everyone. 200 was the staff. But still 100% result was there. Because of the staff. One person cannot do anything. So administration should be good. Attendance of teachers, teachers proxy period, day celebrations, sports, cultural activities, management meeting, department meeting, workshops to be attended. All this work, one person cannot do it, so you have to delegate the work. Now how to delegate the work? तुम्ही काम जेव्हा देता इतरांना तर काय विचार करून देता?
Workload.
Workload, balance.
Ability.
Yes, very good. If you see the skills among the teachers, if you observe them, ज्याला जे आवडतं ते त्याला दिलं ना तर जास्त सक्सेस मिळणार. माझ्याकडे एक टीचर होतं संगीत प्रेमी, खूप गाणं बिणं, मग त्यांना कल्चरल ऍक्टिव्हिटी सगळीकडे बक्षीस, एच वॉर्डला सगळीकडे बक्षीस, कारण त्यांना आवडच होती, मनापासून ते करायचे. एखाद्याला अभ्यासच आवडतो, मग त्यांना कल्चरल दिलं तर नाही मिळणार सक्सेस. So you have to observe and delegate work by observing their skills. Ensuring compliance with local and state implementation of policies and procedures. We have to, whatever department says, we have to follow. Because it is not one man show there. They have national policies, they percolate down and whatever are the rules ते आपल्याकडे येतात. असं करायलाच पाहिजे. So we have to follow all the rules. Budgeting and financial management. This is really weak. Because आपण शिक्षक असताना आपल्याला कोणी शिकवलं नाहीये. कॉमर्सचे नाही होत आपण, अकाउंटिंग, मनी मॅटर्स, लाखोमध्ये पैसे ग्रांट मिळते, कसं स्पेंड करायचं, हाऊ मच पर्सेंटेज व्हॉट, बट यू हॅव टू लर्न. मी माझ्या क्लर्क करून ॲज अ स्टुडंट शिकून घेतलं की बजेट कसं करायचं असतं. DSM मध्ये जेव्हा थिसिस केलं तेव्हा शिकले मी, कारण शाळेच्या लेवलमध्ये पण नव्हतं, 10वी पर्यंत पण नाही आणि सायन्स असल्याने पुढे तर नाहीच. आय वॉज झिरो इन दिस बजेटिंग अँड फायनान्शियल मॅटर. मला पैसे नाही, पगार आला, बँकेत गेलं, जेवढे लागले खर्च केलं, पण मॅनेजिंग दॅट आय हॅड नेव्हर लर्न. बट हिअर बिंग एन HM इट्स रिअली व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट जॉब. एडेड शाळांसाठी तरी पैसे नाही पण करायचं तर सगळे. But you have different sources. You agree with me, yes, financial constraint is there always, but always you can take for help. भीक मागायला घाबरायचं नाही. आपल्या शाळेसाठी मागतो आपण, स्वतःसाठी नाही. There are so many CSR companies, कोटक महिंद्रा आहे, नवनीत सारखे आहेत, टाटा कन्सल्टन्सीज आहेत, असे खूपसे आहेत जे अकॅडमिक साठी देतात. आमच्या IAS मध्ये आम्ही 3 कॉम्प्युटर लॅब असे सेल्फ म्हणजे मदत घेऊन केलेले. एल्युमिना फॉर्म केले. एल्युमिनी एक स्टुडंट जे फॉरेनला सेटल झाले त्यांना अप्रोच करून तुम्हाला आपल्या शाळेबद्दल कसं वाटतं असं एक गेट टुगेदर केलं आणि तुम्ही काय देऊ शकता, कसं करू शकता, त्यांच्याकडून पण हेल्प होती. मनाने दिलेले लोकांनी पैसे. आमची पण एरिया शाळा होती, पण 3 कॉम्प्युटर वेल इक्विप्ड कॉम्प्युटर लॅब आहे, ऑडिओ व्हिज्युअल रूम व्यवस्थित आहे, ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ रिसोर्सेस. सो दिस यू हॅव टू लर्न. Human resource management, again this is a very difficult task. Every person is unique, handling parents. I can understand. I've gone through all that. Handling parents, even teachers. टाइम टेबल ओपन केल्या बरोबर हिला एवढे तास मला एवढे होतं ना. आपल्याला खूप कठीण प्रसंग असतो ते कसं त्यांना मॅनेज करायचं. बट इफ यू हॅव अ स्किल यू कॅन कीप अँड यू कॅनॉट कीप एव्हरीवन हॅपी बट यू कॅन आन्सर देम. त्यांना सांगायचं प्लीज फील फ्री टू आस्क बट वन ॲट अ टाइम. सगळ्यांसमोर डिस्कस करूच नका. तुमचं टाइम टेबल घेऊन या मग सांगा की काय अडचण होती का दिले आणि नेहमी याच्यात आहे प्रशंसा एप्रिशिएशन केलं ना दॅट यू मस्ट बी युझिंग द टूल. अरे तुमच्याशिवाय कोणी करू शकत नाही आहे म्हणून तुम्हाला दिलेलं आहे असं सांगितलं की खुश शिक्षक मनाने करतात. सो यू हॅव टू यूज ऑल दी स्किल्स अँड प्रिपेअर डॅम. रिक्रुटिंग मॅडम हॅज ऑलरेडी सेड यू हॅव टू फॉलो रूल्स रेग्युलेशन्स आणि याच्यासाठी MEPS शिवाय दुसरा पर्याय नाही. सो यू रीड अँड equip yourself. Then other sources are attending workshops like this workshops, you know, and for training. Did you get any training from a department or any sources for being a good principal? I was not given any training. Were you given any training? No. आता ते अविरत आहे आणि निष्ठा आहे असे पोर्टल आहे पण तरी फिजिकल आणि ऑनलाईन मध्ये फरक पडतो ना. You agree with me? So it makes a difference. So see that whenever you get chance, attend workshops. Wherever you get chance. And then if you are busy, send the substitute. Let your teachers also empower themselves. So attend workshops. Then conduct staff evaluation, providing constructive feedback. This is also very important. Confidential report, सगळं good लिहिलं ना, मग improvement होणारच नाही. You have to be strict. If you find some negative in some person, एकदा लिहून द्या, दोनदा द्या, तीनदा द्या आणि सांगा आता तिसऱ्यांदा झाले CR मध्ये नोंद होणार आहे. मग ती चूक करणार नाही. आणि आहे टीचर्स दे आर लेझी, दे डोंट गो टू वर्क और इन देअर क्लासेस ऑन टाइम, दे डोंट कंप्लीट द पोर्शन इन टाइम, दे जस्ट ओपन द टेक्स्ट बुक अँड रीड द लेसन्स वेअर दे आर सपोज टू टेक ॲक्टिव्हिटी बेस्ड. In 100, 1 or 2 may be there like this, but you have to make them change. For that only equip this हत्यार काय आहे तुमच्याकडे तर CRचंच आहे. बट नॉट नेगेटिव्ह फक्त लिहिलं आणि त्यांना कळवलं नाही असं नाहीये. यू हॅव टू फर्स्ट मेक अ केस, इन्फॉर्म देम, हॅव काउन्सिलिंग, टेक इन स्कूल कमिटी मीटिंग, इन्फॉर्म द मॅनेजमेंट. आफ्टर दॅट नोंद करायची, मग त्यांना लेखी कळवायचं, डिपार्टमेंटला पण कळवायचं आणि त्याच्यानंतरच ॲक्शन होते. बट सी दॅट फायनान्शियली कोणाचा लॉस होऊ नये, तिथपर्यंत जाऊ नये. कारण काय होतं 1 वर्ष इन्क्रीमेंट थांबते परत सुरू होते पण जी एनिमिटी तुमच्याशी होते ती लाईफ लॉंग लक्षात राहणार तर ते होऊ द्यायचं नाही. दिस इज माय सजेशन. अदरवाइज यू आर ग्रेट, यू आर हँडलिंग सो मेनी पीपल, यू कॅन टेक युअर ओन डिसिजन.
बट समटाइम्स एक्झाम्पल सेट करणं पण गरजेचं असतं.
करेक्ट सर, आय एग्री विथ यू. एखाद्यावर तरी तुम्ही करायचं ना तेव्हा इतर पण जरा डिसिप्लिन मध्ये राहतात. डिसिप्लिन तर पाहिजे शाळेत. So that is necessary. I agree with you, sir. Technology proficiency. I know that some of us may not be so much pro in technology, but it is need of time. शिकल्याशिवाय पर्याय नाही. आणि कोविडने मोठा धडा शिकवला आपल्याला. तेव्हा आपल्याला ऑनलाईन टीचिंग आपण केलं. आता मायक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम्स, गुगल मीट, आपण व्हॉट्सअप व्हिडिओ कॉल, हे सगळं कॉन्फरन्स कॉल, हे सगळं आपण करू शकतो. इवन बँकेचे व्यवहार सगळं ऑनलाईन. हे कोणी आपण ट्रेनिंग घेतलेलं नाहीये पण करता आलं ना. तसंच हे टीचिंगमध्ये पण आहे. सगळे पोर्टल भरायचे. क्लर्कवर डिपेंडंट राहू नका. क्लर्कनी लागल्यापासून तोच काम तो 15 वर्ष 20 वर्ष एकच काम करतोय तर त्यांना येतंय पण त्यांच्या बाजूला बसा, स्वतः माहिती करून घ्या. देन यू डोंट हॅव टू डू मस्का पॅलेस ऑफ क्लर्क. झाला का बाबा नाही, का झालं नाही आणि मी करते. देन दे विल वेट अँड डू इट. सो यू शुड नो द नॉलेज. इफ यू आर वेल इक्विप्ड यू वोंट हॅव टू, देन दे आर ऑल्सो अफ्रेड ऑफ यू. And data filling, as madam said, your data filling should be accurate. Whatever you are doing, so put it there. Policy and legal knowledge. Your MEPS rule. What is full form of MEPS?
Maharashtra Employees of Private Schools.
One of you stand up and say.
Maharashtra Employees of Private Schools.
Correct. Then we have some. Now please don't answer in chorus. Just raise your hands up. Okay? So only that person will answer. What is full form of POCSO? ओनली वन हँड अप. पॉक्सो मॅडमने ऑलरेडी सांगितलेलं आहे पण ते मराठीत होतं. POCSO पॉक्सो. व्हॉट इज फुल फॉर्म ऑफ इट? नो, वेट. Those who have not answered, I'll ask. Yes, madam. The one in sari. Yes, madam.
Protection of children against sexual offense.
Correct. Protection of children from sexual offences. This is full form of it and you should be aware of it. Please read all the rules and regulations. असंच employee साठी पण एक आहे. What is that? Posh. Yes. What is full form of posh? Chorus answers. No, you wait. Anyone else? Anyone else? Posh. Yes, last. Yes, madam. Correct. Prevention of sexual harassment. Oh, this is also important. Every monthly meeting you should take off your. आणि ते सफाई कर्मचारी पण असू शकतात ना, पिओन्स और टीचर्स और ऑफिस स्टाफ, लेडीज जेंट्स, कोणी तक्रार केली सो नियमाने त्याचे फॉलो करायचे आणि ते करायचं. त्याच्यानंतर RTचा फुल फॉर्म काय आहे तर सगळ्यांनाच माहित पाहिजे. राईट टू विच इयर इट केम? राईट ऑफ चिल्ड्रन टू फ्री अँड कंपल्सरी एज्युकेशन. फुल फॉर्म इज लाईक दिस. राईट ऑफ चिल्ड्रन टू फ्री अँड कंपल्सरी एज्युकेशन. Which year it had come? 2009. And implementation? 2010. Very good. RTI? What is the rule for it? If any letter comes to you, what you should do?
Provide the asked information.
But within how many days you have to give?
30 days.
30
And if not given in 30 days, what will happen?
He will go in.
Fine from whose salary? Individual, personal, not from the school. It is like this. The individual person, if it is addressed to HMs, who is the HM? And if it is not given, then salary from within 30, whatever it is. If you don't have, you write and give that I don't have this information. If you have, then it will be provided in so many days, come here and take. Whatever it is, but you have to give, otherwise you will come in problem. So you should be aware of all these rules and regulations and crisis management. Again, this is repetition, but there are so many crises like disaster management is there. Waterlogging, now rainfall will start. Dadar area, most of the time school has to be kept closed because students cannot enter in the classrooms. So much water is there. Waterlogging is there. So that time, then heavy rains are there, fire, then bomb in the school. Such cases have happened. So what here you should do? Actually, you should prepare a committee. What I had done, a committee for disaster management.
You have to
And plan. Evacuating is first thing. How to evacuate the whole school. We had 5 floors and 18 classrooms on every floor. And 2 staircases were there and lift was there. So we have to take constant meetings and plan which class, with which teacher, means whosoever teacher is there in the class, from which side they will go. Then there are some handicapped students. So who will pick them up and take them down? Lift should not be used. Then after coming down also, where they will gather. And then attendance should also be taken because parents will definitely ask, मेरा बच्चा तो school आया था कहाँ गया? So gate should be, on the gate also watchman should be there that no one should go out. Then again attendance should be taken and children should be handed to the parents only. So all these things, constant practice and mock drill should be taken. Then only sometimes it happens, so you will be effective. Okay. Now communicating effectively during crisis is very important. खूपदा असं होतं HMS तटप आणि शिवरिंग अँड थर का पत्ता काय करू आणि मग एक जण आला, मॅडम शाळा सोडून द्या खूप पाऊस आहे. हा दादर बंद व्हिडिओ बघितला, मग सांगितलं सोडली शाळा, अनाउन्समेंट केली आणि परत मॅनेजमेंटचा फोन आला, नाही आता नाही सोडायची, पालक आल्याशिवाय नाही सोडायचं. मग परत नाही बोलवा गेले का नाही. दिस शुड नॉट बी देअर. यू शुड टेक युअर, होतं ना असं सगळे हसतायत म्हणजे होतं असं. परत बोलवायचं आणि मॅनेजमेंटचं खूपदा असंच असतं, नाही सोडायचं. पण आणि डिपार्टमेंट काहीच घेत नाही. BMCचं पत्र आलं, तुम्ही तुमचं बघा. HM इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर एव्हरीथिंग.
कधी घेत 4 वाजता आम्हाला टायमिंग असू शकत.
लास्ट ईयर का तो राईट सर
एक गमतीशीर या दोघा सरांनी सांगितलं पाऊस आला तेव्हा सुट्टी नाही आणि जेव्हा पाऊस नाहीये तेव्हा सुट्टी शाळेत. जोक्स आर पार्ट बट दिस इज नॉट इन देअर हँड ऑल्सो. ते असं देऊ नाही शकत. आणि मध्ये होतं की येस मॅडम यू वॉन्ट टू से एनिथिंग.
See, for many years I thought that our Indian meteorological department was a total disaster. But one of my friends who's at a very high position, she explained it is because of the Indian Ocean and the kind of currents that are there that their prediction cannot be correct at all. So we should not blame them always. From last year I stopped blaming
No,
them.
no blaming, but don't rely on them also. Don't rely on them.
This is a problem.
Yes,
This is a
yes,
problem.
yeah, I
We
agree
say
with
how
you.
the
Their
US and all is
decisions are
perfect.
mainly
Like this it is not.
I have learned one thing that whenever the meteorological department says that today it's gone, shut after 2 days. So that statistical changes we need to do.
Yes, correct. Rupali next.
You don't should something happen, then you people.
after
Yes, yes. Now let us come back to the topic. Soft skills now. Leadership and vision. Ability to inspire and motivate staff and students. See, I will suggest you should be a role model. If you want your staff to come on time, if you want your students to come on time, it is you should come out. Today now see Veer madam, she was here before 9. So we had given the time and she was here. Even my staff was there, I was there. But generally, sorry to say madam, but generally department people, department meetings are never on time. No, sorry to say, but it has happened. So that mentality is there that no department che na, it's okay. And hands for join your hands for all of you. You also were till 9:30. All of you were there. Very nice. So punctuality, qualification, positive thinking, staying in present, self-development, professional development, all these things come in leadership. Unless you do your self-development. See, I had done MSc B.Ed in Nasik. That time it was Pune University. Even Nasik was not a university, Pune University. Then after 25 years, when my children were doing 10th and 12th, that time I felt let me also study with them. So I did DSM. Then I got interested in learning, reading and writing. And then I thought of enrolling myself in M.Ed. Studying was easy, but sitting on a wooden bench and writing paper for 3 hours was very difficult. Because cushion chair मध्ये बसायची सवय झाली होती आणि इथे बेंचवर बाकावर बसून 3 तास कंटिन्युअसली ना, इट वॉज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट. बट आय क्लिअर्ड अँड देन PhD in education from Mumbai University. But then it was really very interesting along with school. शाळा सांभाळून करायचं. So when you do, and I'm happy to say, seeing me, I used to always tell that you should always be a learner. When I came in Navneet, I've learned so many things. And seeing me, my staff also, not a single teacher was there who was not a graduate. 10वी-12वी चालत होतं D.Ed शिक्षकांना. But they all graduate and later the सर्व शिक्षा अभियान आणि हे आलं तेव्हा प्रत्येकाला ग्रॅज्युएशन कंपल्सरी. So they were benefited. Everyone was thanking me. मॅडम तुमच्यामुळे आम्ही तेव्हा केलं, आता त्रास नाही. DSM माझं झाल्यानंतर मी सगळ्यांना सांगितलं इट इज ओपन फॉर ऑल. AHM सुपरवायझर कोणीही देऊ शकतो, त्यांनी पण दिलं. And you learn so many things in DSM. So see that your staff also, you motivate them, do it. So self-development, professional development, then staying in present. Most of the times, you know what happens? Comparison. When you compare with others, then you feel bad. अरे उसके पास तो मर्सिडीज है, मेरे पास तो सादी कार है, मारुति है. उसके पास कितनी सारी सिल्की साड़ीज है, मेरे पास तो बहुत कम है. ये कितना अप टू डेट रोज आती है, मेरे पास तो ये नहीं है. If you feel like this, then you will always feel gloomy and sad. What you have, see that, so you will be happy. मेरे साथ ये हुआ था, इसने मेरे को ऐसा बोला था. If you keep thinking like this, in your life there are instances when you are unhappy. But don't try to recollect those unhappy moments. Whatever good things are happening, you think about it and stay in the present. अभी तो आपके पास सब कुछ है. you're head of the school, और क्या चाहिए? So many people are relying on you, they follow your orders. What do you want? So you are the happiest creature in the world. ऐसा सोचा तो you will always be happy and the surrounding will help you in remaining happy. So have positive thinking. Then you should have vision, clear vision, but vision should be of the management. Whatever is in their mind, that should be followed. आपका अलग है, टीचर्स का अलग है, बच्चों का अलग है, मैनेजमेंट का अलग है, डिपार्टमेंट अलग होगा, then success will not be there. For example, अभी डिपार्टमेंट बोल रहा है कि कोल्हापुर 1 नंबर पे, हमको 1 नंबर पे आना है. This is vision of education department. कि है बहुत, बच्चों ने बहुत किया है, रिजल्ट भी बहुत अच्छा है, but it is not reflecting on the portal. Infrastructure, so good infrastructure is there in Mumbai, but it is not filled properly. So we are lagging behind. तो अभी सब ने ठान लेना है कि data you will fill properly, so that Mumbai, next meeting when we meet, Mumbai will stand first in each and everything. Academic also, non-academic, that is infrastructure and cultural, whatever it is. So you do it, okay? So vision you should have. Some schools they have vision of sports, some of cultural activities, some of just passing, बाकी सब बंद, खेल कूद नहीं, ड्रामा नहीं, ये डांस नहीं, सिर्फ पढ़ाई, ऐसा भी नहीं होना चाहिए. All right, development of students should be there. So we have to balance. Communication skill, it is very very necessary. For me, I will tell you, मैंने कभी भी किसी को कुछ काम बोला, not as an HM also. HM का तो सुनते ही थे क्योंकि पावर है ना, तो टीचर्स सुनते ही है. बट एज अ मदर, एज एन इंडिविजुअल, एज अ फ्रेंड, एज अ सिस्टर और एज एन एम्प्लॉय इन नवनीत ऑल्सो, किसी को कुछ काम बोला और वो मना करेगा, ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ है. यू टेल मी व्हाई, ऐसा क्या होगा कि किसी ने मना क्यों नहीं किया कभी? व्हाट मस्ट बी दैट क्वालिटी? One at a time.
You must be unbiased.
अनबायस तो होना ही चाहिए. एज एन नेचर वेरी गुड क्वालिटी. भेदभाव बिल्कुल नहीं करना है, सबको एक आंख से देखना है. वेरी गुड. यस.
The way of speaking.
करेक्ट. द वे यू स्पीक, द वे यू स्पीक, अगर प्यार से बात करोगे, कन्विंसिंग बात करोगे, दादागिरी करोगे तो सामने वाला भी दादागिरी करेगा. So you have to say, there are chances कि उतना help नहीं मिलेगा, but they will try at least to. They will not say no. They will try at least to. So you have to have that sweet tongue. So your work is done. And then not only with students and parents, पर non-teaching staff भी बहुत important है. They are pillar of the school. उनका भी सुन के लेना है और उनको भी खुशी रखना है, तो प्यार से बात करना चाहिए. Parents, अभी तो parents, I will give you my example as a student. My father, only at the time of admission he had come to school. उसके बाद कभी नहीं आए, तब parents meeting नहीं होता था. I am a senior citizen now, so you can guess my age. So इतने साल पहले ऐसा ही था कि parents involvement बिल्कुल भी नहीं था स्कूल में. Whatever teachers do, they will do the best. And I am nowhere in loss. सब अच्छा ही हुआ. अभी ऐसा है नहीं. The full eye is on the school. ये टीचर ने ये क्लास में ऐसा क्यों बोला, मेरे बच्चे को डांटा क्यों, होमवर्क नहीं किया, सबके सामने वो इमोशनली रो रहे हैं, अभी खाना नहीं खा रहे. अरे फॉर गुड थिंग टीचर इज टेलिंग, इफ होमवर्क नहीं किया है, थोड़ा डांटा ही है, बोला ही है क्यों नहीं किया. बट नाउ पेरेंट्स, अब पहले बोलते थे 1 थप्पड़ मारा टीचर ने ना, अच्छा फिर 2 लगाते थे, क्यों मारा पहले बोलो, ऐसे थे पेरेंट्स. बिकॉज द ट्रस्ट वॉज देयर ऑन टीचर्स. अभी पता नहीं किधर चला गया पेरेंट्स का ट्रस्ट. बट इट्स डिफिकल्ट टाइम फॉर HMs टू हैंडल पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो. योर आइडियाज you should clearly articulate and take feedback positively. I had practiced one keeping a box outside the school. Complaint box तो था ही, उसके बाजू में feedback box था. Whatever parents, students, teachers they feel, they can put in it. And every weekend we would, without their names, टॉयलेट बाथरूम में पानी नहीं था, ये we can't keep watch everywhere, पर वो feedback से समझ में आता है. Then in some class, some students were notorious, not behaving well. Teachers they don't complain कि करके भी क्या है, हम तो कुछ करते ही नहीं है, फिर क्या बोल के फायदा. They tolerate. That is also wrong. उनका भी मान सम्मान है ना टीचर्स का. There is a limit to tolerate. So then in that you get right feedback. कंप्लेंट बॉक्स में भी है, टेक इट पॉजिटिवली. अगर नेगेटिव आता है दैट इज फॉर योर इम्प्रूवमेंट. So that should be there. Meditating conflicts and facilitating constructive discussions, where the students, parents, and they will go. आप ही हेड हो ना. अगर बच्चों में झगड़ा होता है, टीचर्स विल ब्रिंग देम टू यू. टीचर में होता है, they come to you. Parents, because of children, parents they come to you. So give patient listening. Tell them that you will try to understand all the sides and then later on call them and try to solve the problem. But it should not be unnoticed. Then your communication, written and oral, should be very, very clear. Written notices you send to students, parents, teachers. Between the lines ऐसा कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए. Very clear cut communication should be there. English, Marathi, whatever. There should be no confusion. That is a skill. Oral communication already we have discussed. Then emotional intelligence. Understanding and managing one's emotion and those of others. This is really now, this students also, they watch web series on OTTs. I don't like to watch, but my husband, he keeps watching continuously. He's retired now. But so much violence. My goodness. Have you seen? धुरंधर मूवी देखा? 1, 2, so much violence. वो क्या हो गया? वो इमोशनल, आँखी में पानी आता ही नहीं है. बच्चों के भी नहीं, देखने वालों के भी नहीं. That emotional quotient is lost. Can you understand? अपने लिए, अपने जमाने में रोड पे भी अगर कोई रो रहा है, कोई गिर गया है, तो अपने को बुरा लगता था. अरे लग गया इसको. We will go and try to help. अभी तो मर गया है कोई, तो भी लोग रास्ते से जा रहे हैं. फोटो वीडियो बना रहे. मार 2 जन की लड़ाई हो रही है तो सॉल्व करने कोई नहीं जा रहा है. वीडियो निकाल के सोशल पे ये कर रहे हैं. So sad. And emotional, it is a case now yesterday. So where I read, it is in UP I think. I don't know exactly place. Son has murdered father, mother and elder brother. बेटे ने, कहीं मैंने न्यूज पढ़ी, अभी है इसी हफ्ते में. ऐसा जमाना आ गया. तो इमोशनल क्वेश्चन कहीं ना कहीं कम हो गया. But you see that in your school, at least it is intact. So empathy and compassion in interaction. Building positive relationship with diverse stakeholders. Now your stakeholders are who? Tell me. Who are your stakeholders? Parents, students, management,
Alumni.
teachers. एक रह गया बहुत important. Department. Very difficult. Very difficult because सब अभी की अभी चाहिए. अभी की अभी, आज की आज, सब ऐसा ही आता है. So it is difficult, but other things are also not so easy. Handling, and you are great people, and you are still smiling, and you have come here also. कोई ऐसा एकदम ये नहीं दिख रहा है कि कहाँ से मैं HM बन गई या बन गया. All are happy. So you are handling all these stakeholders. So great work you all are doing. Problem solving and decision making. This I won't take much time. Timely decision is necessary. जैसे बोला आग लग गई तो मीटिंग लेने की जरूरत नाही आहे. लेकिन 10वी का रिझल्ट आहे, निकाल लागलेला आहे, तर तेव्हा मीटिंग घेऊन सगळ्यांचे सजेस्ट इनपुट्स घ्या. व्हॉट कॅन यू डू व्हेन यू डू लाईक दॅट. 10th स्टँडर्ड ऑल क्लास टीचर्स, ऑल सब्जेक्ट टीचर्स मीटिंग. दिस इज द रिझल्ट, दिस इज द फॅक्ट. व्हॉट कॅन वी डू? टेक आयडियाज and then implement. So then input of everyone will be there. Then whatever decision you take. अभी फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी बारिश का ही ले लिया, स्कूल छोड़ दिया है, बाद में मैनेजमेंट का अगर आया भी, सुन लो लेकिन वो मत करो, क्योंकि एक बार यू हैव टेकन योर डिसीजन, यू विल बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इट, बट टेक दैट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड डू इट. बिफोर टेकिंग डिसीजन थिंक अबाउट द प्रोज एंड कॉन्स, देन टेक डिसीजन. बट वंस यू टेक द रिस्पॉन्स. फिर ऐसे नहीं वो टीचर आई थी उसने बोला छोड़ दो तो मैंने छोड़ दिया, तो पेरेंट आया था उन्होंने बोला मैं लेके जाता हूँ तो मैंने बोला ठीक है लेके जाओ. नो, व्हेन यू आर द हेड इट शुड बी योर डिसीजन. ओके. Then for undue incidents, that also you have to take your own decision, and you always take balancing the needs of students, staff and product, school community. Yes, all the stakeholders you have to consider and then solve problems. Conflict resolution, this already is discussed. Staff, students, parents, constructively you have to listen to them and solve the disputes. Fostering a collaborative environment where issues are resolved peacefully. Environment ऐसा होना चाहिए. Some schools it is gloomy दिखता है कि AHM और HM में भी नहीं जम रही है. वो बाहर का वाला भी कोई आया तो दिखता है. It should not be like this. जमा के लेना ही चाहिए. Adaptability. This is very, very need of the hour. Every day things are changing, specifically in education. Now new textbooks have come from 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 6th. So now you have NCBSC books are there. So you have to follow them. Then activity based teaching is there. So you have to see that teachers are following it. NCF, NEP. So whatever changes now, new report cards will be coming HPC. You have to understand 360-degree evaluation is to be done. But till now I think for secondary it has not yet come. पाचवी पासून आलेला नाही, वेळ आहे अजून. पण तरी स्टडी करून ठेवायचं काय बदल होणार आहे. Evaluation will be done by whom? Now it was only by teachers. By HPC it will be done by how many people? Or by whom? First students self-evaluation. Then peer evaluation. त्याच्याच मित्राने. मग third parents. Then teachers. And last? Only 4 I think. And then principal definitely. So these stakeholders it is to be evaluated. But I don't understand पहिलीचा मुलगा कसं evaluation करणार बाजूच्या मुलाचा. They are not that grown up, isn't it? But it is for first to 10. Let us see when it comes to us. So adaptability, whatever changes are there, maintaining composure and flexibility in challenging situation. खूपदा असं होतं की you have to control your emotions. There are things when sometimes the management people are very rude, or department if they don't like something they may be rude to you, but you have to control yourself. Then in front of your staff also sometimes they are rude with you in front of so many people, but you have to maintain your posture. Calmness is very much necessary. क्या करना चाहिए अभी बोलो. शांत रहो, सब बोलते हैं शांत रहो, and it is for good. अपना BP अपना शुगर नहीं बढ़ा. I should not ask these questions, but this many times it is seen कि teachers they are having this stress, sugar and BP problems, and at early age medicine start. तो इसके लिए अभी उसको तो इलाज नहीं है, लेकिन वो नहीं हो उसके लिए क्या करना चाहिए? What you should do? Stress should not be there, BP नहीं बढ़ना चाहिए, शुगर भी नहीं आना चाहिए. Yes, you should take care of your health. Lifestyle change करना means क्या? Very good. Clap for this madam. You have to take care of yourself and make it a priority. Discipline, sleep on time, get up on time. First thing, 7 hours sleep you should get. Eat proper food on time. I'm telling you it's not easy, I know. As an HM, I used to have my lunch at 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Because continuously doing work, you forget your hunger and thirst. But it should not be. You put an alarm, whatever it is, 10 minutes. But eat food on time and balanced food. Canteen का खा लिया, जो मिला खा लिया, वड़ा पाव खा लिया, no. Homemade भाजी चपाती, whatever it is, but home cooked food. And what more? Exercise. Exercise for physical fitness. How many of you really go for walking for at least 40 minutes? Very few, very few. मुझे याद करो और कल से शुरू कर दो. मैडम ने बोला है, मेरा नाम डॉक्टर भारती हजारी है. फिर कभी मिलो तो मैडम आपने बोला था, आज से ही मैंने शुरू किया. Never, tomorrow never comes. Whatever time you get, start with 10 minutes and slowly increase. It is very necessary for your health. शुगर नहीं होगी, बीपी कंट्रोल में रहेगा, हार्ट स्ट्रांग रहेगा. वॉकिंग एवरीवन कैन डू. देन फॉर रिमेनिंग काम यू शुड गो फॉर मेडिटेशन, ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइजेस. वो तो ऑफिस में भी बैठ के कर सकते हैं, थोड़ा जल्दी आ जाओ, 10 मिनट शांति से बैठ के करो, सबके आने से पहले आ जाओ, तो दिखेगा अरे HMS comes very early. पर पर्दा डोर बंद करके 10 मिनट्स ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज, इट विल कूल डाउन, यानी इट विल प्रिपेयर यू फॉर द डे. सौरभ बत्रा का सुना है? आई एम नॉट प्रमोटिंग हिम, पर वो ऑनलाइन भी मिलता है कैसे करना है ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइजेस, बट दैट इज नेसेसरी. दिस इज वेरी मच नेसेसरी फॉर यू एज अ पर्सन टू कीप यू healthy, wealthy. If you are healthy, you will remain wealthy and happy also. Okay. Then time management वो देखा, नहीं वो टीम बिल्डिंग का था व्हिडिओ. टाइम मॅनेजमेंट के भी बहुत सारे व्हिडिओ, खूप सारे व्हिडिओज आहेत, ते तुम्ही बघितले तर आनंद येईल. आणि प्रायोरिटाइज टास्क, व्हाट आई डू इज, मोबाइल में एक ऐप है टू डू लिस्ट बनाने का, इट इज कॉल्ड गूगल वर्क प्लेस. ऑन दैट माई हैबिट इज वॉट एवर यू आर डूइंग टूडे राइट इट डाउन, उसमें से जो हुआ क्रॉस कर दो, नेक्स्ट डे पुल ऑन. एज सुन एज यू गो प्रिपेयर टू डू. अगर उसमें मोबाइल में नहीं करना है, मोबाइल इसलिए कि एट होम ये इट इज ऑलवेज विथ यू, अदरवाइज यू हैव योर नवनीत डायरी, सबको मिलती है ना नवनीत डायरीज, देयर यू राइट इट डाउन टू डू लिस्ट डेट वाइज. देन प्रायोरिटाइज व्हाट इज अर्जेंट 1 2 3, जो बचा है नेक्स्ट डे नेक्स्ट डे. तो फिर ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा that you have tension, अरे this work was there and it is not done and now what to do, that stress level will not be there. So prepare a to-do list, then delegate responsibility, give everything to everyone except you do only signing work, delegate all the work, but you observe, then you will have time for observing and helping each one in doing the work, then फटाफट काम हो जाएगा. Managing multiple demands while staying focused on long-term goals. You have to do many things at one time, every day. But if you delegate the work properly, then everything will be done in time. That is a task and you learn by doing. Team building and collaboration. You have seen that if you all are together, always success you will get. And unity, for this you can have workshops for team building. There are so many activities where teachers are made to do and then they understand the importance of unity. When they are, अगर उसमें कांग्रेस और बीजेपी ऐसा है स्टाफ में, it is very difficult to manage them. No politics in school and everyone at one tone. If you are biased, फिर unity नहीं रहेगी. So you have to see that there is unity among staff and various means are there. Keep motivational lectures, have workshops and see that your team is strong. Promoting professional development and growth within the team. How you will do professional development? Ask them to give various exams. So many, now see AI has come. What is AI? Artificial intelligence. How many of you use ChatGPT? Not all. What are other tools of AI? Name them. Yes. Gemini.
Cloudy.
Yes.
WhatsApp पर Meta AI.
Meta AI. So many are there. So learn of your own and use all these things. So changing, motivational and learning, technology, team building, all these skills if you develop. And now you do your self-assessment. इसमें से ये skills तो बता दिए, इतने सारे हैं. Which skills you are lagging behind? Do self-assessment. Ask your staff or close ones, supervisors or AHM जो नजदीक के senior most teachers हैं. These are the skills. Where do I lag behind? Then develop those skills. All the best for your success. I have taken all the skills. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much.